Pag isang princess from Philippines,
Magandang feeling.
isang princess from
Princess, hindi queen.
America, isang queen galing ko sa Philippines.
Tingnan natin kung makaasawa ka pa kapag naputol.
Hindi,
Pag naputol yan, tingnan natin.
hindi.
Tingnan natin.
Listen mo.
Tingnan natin.
Talaga. Yan. Yan. Oh. Come. Wow, ang ganda, Sarah. Ang ganda.
Hala, pababa na siya.
So, today we are going to Kangra Fort
We are going to Kangra Fort.
and the rain starts.
Yes. Yeah.
पहले नहीं बोला था रिया
So now we will tell you what's the difference in fort and court, huh? This is park.
जानते हुए हमने नोटिस किया सीवी
Huh? Fort is there. So this is subdivision, huh? Kind of subdivision. Yes, kings and their all army civilians stayed inside.
amazing.
That's amazing.
This song is amazing.
Huh? Museum. Let's see museum. Yeah, mask na. Kailangan mask. Okay, bawal sa loob yung videography kaya stopping.
20 pesos lang. Tapos cashless, kailangan debit card.
Siyempre, this is digital India, darling.
Ay, rupees pala, sorry. 20 rupees.
Yes, mura lang, di ba?
Yeah. 20 rupees, cashless.
Yes.
Yabang.
We not accept cash.
Yung bawal mag-video. Pero
Kaya hindi kami
may
video.
old coin sila. Yung bato siya, tapos tawag doon,
Graving with,
grenade
yeah,
Grave.
graving with hand tools.
coins.
Yeah. Kingdom. Lagay sila dito fire arms and
Ito yung nakikita ko
arrows.
sa
Movies.
movies na.
Yes. Tingin mo hanggang taas. From there they
May king
fire.
and queen.
Yeah. King and queen. One king, many queen.
Kapal na mukha, madaming queen.
Yes. Yan. Pasok na si fake queen sa kingdom. Yan. Yan. Oh. Open threads. Yan. So yan, kita mo. Dami punta dito just for date.
Siyempre, pura lang. Hindi maganda yung view kasi sa taas.
Kaya nga, maganda yung view. Tas mura lang pang sa date. Tas walang shopping center. Hindi mahirap sa lalaki. Ayan, stairs pang punta sa fort. Tas pagdarating dito babae, sobrang happy. Sarah, first time mo? Ha? Just because of me, I bring my queen sa fort. Ha? Ayan, si Jaswinder, Gurjeet and Gurman. Pass na tayo. Sobrang taas yung walls. Tas matagal na hindi sira, diba? Tingnan mo dito ka. This is to kill enemies.
Ah, silip dyan.
Yes, silip dyan.
Tapos may baril.
Barrel. Tingnan mo.
Okay.
Ha?
For checking.
Yes. Tas makapal yung dito. Yes.
have a watch and a tag.
Come. Come. Security post just to protect fort. Army with guns. Yan. can. This is on highest point, higher point. There are also on top. You can watch here every point of your city. You can attack. Alam mo bakit mataas lagi yung ano fort? They can attack easily and look after kung layo meron darating ibang army. Nasa taas siya for security reasons para kita nila hanggang layo sino darating sa fort. Punta kami sa taas, more taas pa. Ang kings dito, tira dito, madami nila wife. Tas dami din yung ano, ang tawag yun?
Kabit?
Hindi na kailangan nila kabit. Kasi may wives na allowed sila madami ng asawa.
Pala mo ka?
Sarap na buhay nila na king.
Buhay?
Sana hanggang ngayon king rule. Tas ako yung king na isang kingdom. Ha? Bakit feeling? Ha?
Ay, pare.
Ingitaro ka, 'di ba? Ingit ka, 'di ba? Ha? Isang asawa galing, isang queen galing ko sa Philippines.
Tingnan natin kung makaasawa ka pa kapag naputol.
Hindi.
Pag naputol yan, tingnan natin.
Hindi.
Tingnan natin.
Listen mo.
Tingnan natin.
Talaga. Yan, pasok kami sa entrance. Hindi, just imagine lang. Just imagine ka lang. Ha? Pag isang princess from Philippines,
Huwag ganang feeling.
isang princess from
Princess, hindi queen.
America,
Yeah.
isa from Canada. हाँ किधर चले तुम? पोगी पोगी
Yes.
इंगी तेरो का
Ingitero ka?
oh
Unable to understand.
secret
Hindi tero ka?
Sara ganda na view talaga tingin mo dito ka ito yung malit na kwarto diba dati
Sige, gawa ka ng story.
hindi wait lang yung kita mo malit na kwarto
Sige ka, sige.
Dati.
Gawa ka ng story ah.
dati yung king diba
Oh.
panggabi
Oh.
date niya yung kabit niya tapos isang araw malaman na yung asawa niya
Oh.
nasira ano tanggal niya na yung roof niya tapos everything galit niya kay king ano yung kwarto tingnan mo yan
Huwag kayong maniniwala dyan.
dito sila date dati hindi ka niwala sa akin ha
Budget story, huwag kayong maniwala.
talaga man so irrespective ano hindi mo ko respect talaga tingnan mo Sara maganda ha yes temple doon sa may temple sa taas yan. Pag sad siya, 'di ba, King? Sara, pag sad siya dito siya upo. Pag hindi na bigay na asawa niya yung pagkain, dito siya upo tas tingin-tingin doon para hindi siya gutom. Yes. Sige, pasok natin sa loob. Yan. Pasok natin sa temple. Ha? Moon yan. Sun mukha. Ha? Doon. Yan. Ito na malaki talaga. This is temple. Sige. This is temple.
Fort main.
Yeah.
ये मार्केट है स्टेडी
Kite.
Shiri.
मार्केट है
Adyan adyan.
Ito yung
Kwento mo ano to?
ito swimming pool nila. Dito sila magaligo. Ha? Dito pag para hindi siya huli na ano mag-date. Tago siya dito. Ha? Sobrang tago siya dito. Tingnan mo design dun sir. Handcrafted.
This could be possible.
वो सारे तो सवा लाने वाला जाने दिया
जब Ferrari होवे.
Jasa. Nasa top kami.
एक मिनट बच्चे
मेन किले की पिक्चर बनाई दी है.
अगेन था पुरानी वाला हो रही था
Okay.
Pag malaki na yung tiyan na king, di ba? Yung asawa niya sabi sa kanya, taas ka, baba ka, taas ka, baba ka. Para hindi siya punta gym, para hindi siya na ligaw-ligaw iba, queen. So dito siya mag-exercise. Tingnan mo, masarap mag-exercise dito. Aya, Gorman. Gorman. Aya po to. Yan. आके hindi आका दस्ते बनाइया सी वीनियां पौड़ियां मैं क्या alam mo na ngayon bakit ito gawa?
Bakit madami?
Ha? Ito? Hindi, ito pag anong sugal lang. Pag sugal lang. Yan, explain ni Gorman. People stay here who care for this fort. Okay?
Hear me.
Ah.
ये रहे थे civilians से.
Civilians daw.
How about this government?
Explain this
All
whole for
shooting but people attacks.
ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੂਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹ?
ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੜਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ.
This is for Tago again.
Like if anyone attacks from there, people will run and go from there.
Yeah. So he explained very well,
But nobody hear me.
but nobody hear him. But I hear him.
No,
Yeah. See,
nobody hear me.
I hear you.
And they just do ugly jokes.
No, darling. ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਨਾ ਲੈ What you want, darling? Huh? You want to buy this kingdom? If I'm king here, I will gift you one room.
Room lang.
Tas flowers.
Dapat lahat.
Lahat sa'yo?
Oo. Dapat lahat.
Ayoko. I can't take risk. Pag king ako, how I will take?
Hindi ka magiging king, ha?
Ha?
Okay.
Baka someday. Sabi ng Philippine government, you are more deserving candidate. Ikaw na lang king sa dito. Funny ba? I'm your king, di ba? Oo, doesn't matter.
One king, one queen.
Ganun ba? Sige, ganun na lang.
Parang napilitan.
Hindi palitin. I'm just asking. Ito, tas tingin nila wala na dito tao.
Ano, kunwari ako yung queen mo, anong sasabihin mo sa akin?
Queen. Pwede hingi pera, bayaran ako ng electricity bill kasi malaki yung kuryente dito. Queen, malaki yung bahay natin. Pwede maglinis.
Queen? Saan ka nakakita ng queen na naglilinis?
Queen. Pwede ako holiday na 2 days, hindi ka kasama.
Pwede.
Ano benefit na king ako?
Ah,
Pag hindi mo ko kikinig, ano benefit na king ako?
feeling king ka lang, ha? Ay,
If-
ang ganda dito, oh.
Round ball.
Dito na, mama na. Dito na. Yan, dito. Lakad ako.
Lakad ako. Hindi ako feeling king, siya feeling queen.
Slave, come.
Slave ba ako?
My king, my slave, come.
Bakit ka napalit na agad? Wow, ang ganda Sara. Ang ganda. Ha?
ਇੱਧਰ ਦੇਖੋ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਘਾਟੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਿਊ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜ਼ੂਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਹਿਮਾਲਿਆ ਦੇ ਬਰਫ਼ ਵਾਲੇ ਪਹਾੜ ਦੇ
Kithi hai? Oy, Sara, tingnan mo sa taas.
ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਥੋੜੀ ਧੁੰਦਲਾ ਹੈ ਬਟ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼
Yes, ice, ano,
ਪਹਾੜ ਹੈ ਬਰਫ਼ ਵਾਲੇ
Video mo.
hills yan.
ਦੇਖੋ
hills. Wow. Oh, sobrang malamig doon. Super cold.
Ay, wait lang.
Himalayas hills. Cold, very cold. Very cold. Tingnan mo, sobrang taas siya.
ਆਵੇ ਦਰਖਤ ਬੇਟੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ
ਕਿਹੜੇ ਤੇ?
ਆਵੇ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ
ਸਾਰਾ tingnan mo. They were king and queen in old times.
ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਵਜ਼ੀਰ ਰੋਸ
One is king, one is
ਹੈ
king and queen. They are protesting their fort from us. Oh.
ਜੀ ਤੋਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੇਖੋ ਵਜ਼ੀਰ ਰੁੱਸ ਗਿਆ।
हाँ मेरे जमा सामने गिरे तो
Spy मना रहे हैं नहीं? Himalaya hills full of ice,
ਸਨੋ
snow, full of snow.
ਸੀ ਰਾਜਾ ਰਾਣੀ ਹਜ਼ਾਰ
And here is beautiful sunset. Picture kita do. Kamusta yung sunset?
Maganda ang
You love it?
sunset.
You love it?
I love it. Sobrang ganda.
Ha? Okay. Yun. Tingnan mo, Sarah. Tingnan natin kung parrot is still there. It means totoo yun. King and queen siya. Ha? Just protecting there. Ay, dito pa rin. Yan.
Si bahay na sila dyan.
Yan. Yung queen na dito. Yung king punta na hanap na isang asawa.
Are you sure, Queen yan?
Oh, queen siya.
Sunset, guys.
Very beautiful sunset. Fast karo. Sara, fast. It has only 2 minutes.
Ay, talaga ba?
Yes.
Oh my God.
ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਸਨਸੈਟ
Hala, bababa na siya.
Oh, see? Fast. Mamaya ka na video. Go now.
ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ
Yes. खड़ो खड़ो जिन्हें जिन्हें खड़ना छेती करो malapit ka konti dito ka tingin babayo kamay pabi charo kare fast idhar naal hi ay so beautiful sunset can you see yeah tingin mo how many minutes it take to go
ਯਾਰ ਹਾਰਡਲੀ 1.5-2 ਮਿੰਟ।
only went down
ਨਹੀਂ 2 ਮਿੰਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਜਦੋਂ ਥੱਲਾ ਬਾਟਮ ਟੱਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੁਣ 2 ਮਿੰਟ 23 ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਹੋਏ ਆ
just let's go
ਮੁੰਡਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੁਜਾ?
Ayaw niya na babalik. Ayaw mo uwi? Ayaw mo uwi?
Pwede isang picture ka dito sa lahat.
नहीं है पता तो ये तो इन्होंने पुरानी है तो लगी
They were very good architects. Hindi. Gayon. Hindi magan.
haven't seen the Egypt.
Yeah.
When you will see the Egypt, then you will know how great architects they were.
Yes. Past times they were very good architects, but these days people have no same
How
talent.
can a person can build this? It's hard brick.
Yeah. So alam niyo na bata, daldalanan kahit galit siya, ayaw titigil na daldal. Sarah,
Daldal siya. Dapat
ganyan
makinig.
dapat.
Dapat makinig ka. Kasi iiyak siya pag di ka nakinig.
Yes.
What else, German?
Ganyan dapat. Kanina galit. Tapos ulit na siya, recharge. Papa, idhar jana pota.
वॉशरूम घर को बिल्डिंग देख के आया
There are washrooms.
and also that old building.
Yan yung maganda. Kanina galit siya. Pero pag start na kami konti daldal, start na siya agad na explaining things. Then maganda sa kanya, ano ba, sobrang ikot yung utak niya. Yes, there they put their arrows and guns to.
Not cannon.
Yeah.
The walls are too much strong that with the cannon can't broke.
Yes. Here, see, if there is enemy down hills.
Pwede kang magtago dito, di ba?
Yes. Two.
Yan, so pag may kalaban, gaganito ka. Chup, 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 ganon.
They don't have guns. They shoot with arrows. Attacking.
Yan, ganyan. So explaining siya sa iyo kasi in past niya major siya ng army.
That's the things of this world.
Yeah, he know everything about this fort. He will explain everything maayos.
But they don't want to hear it.
These are snake plants daw. Okay, very intelligent kid. What's next? Slow down.
Security inside this.
Slow down.
There are 6 gates.
Slow down.
After this fort.
Wait for us.
Slow down. We can't hear you from a distance.
So,
You had not scientist degree. Oh, magar dekh.
Go.
Okay, now explain. What is this?
I'm
Huh?
finding some clues.
What clue?
I can't tell you their secret clues.
Here king hide when
No, they're
his
strong.
wife find him.
No. Why are you making video funny? It's not the truth.
It's truth, Gurman.
No, you are.
King need to hide many times
No, king don't need to hide.
because kings were cheater.
No, they are not cheaters. Even queens can't harm kings because kings are the god.
Yes.
If anyone even touch him
Oh,
with unnecessarily work,
yeah.
he can even put him to die.
Oh. So when queen
He
can,
has that much power.
who can touch king?
Queen. And
But why kings have too many queens?
because
Explain it.
Because they were cheaters.
no, they're not cheaters. That's wrong. They have lot of queens. Some of the kings have just one queen.
But most of have many queens. Why?
Yeah,
Why?
because they
They
They're
what?
cheater.
They are
no,
cheater.
they want a lot of children
Oh,
that will rule and fight against.
One is enough.
What?
Di ba? One queen.
No, he is not.
wait. Tell me, if you are a king,
I will
Come
not
on.
marry anyone
why?
because I will not build a fort or something. No, I don't want to marry anyone if I am a king.
Why?
I will go.
Then who will rule your fort?
Me?
Why?
I'm not gonna to build a fort anything.
Okay.
I'm just going to be an island,
Oh,
build a base and live there.
but what about your kids? So,
It's a chocolate kingdom.
No.
chocolate kingdom?
Yan. Ito na ang
Usna yung tour namin. So, we coming
I'm
in.
watching everything very.
Yeah, he is watching everything very carefully.
That if I will come,
Yeah.
if I will.
Because in past birth, he was journal here. So, it's his duty to check everything.
guard siya dati.
Yeah.
I would find treasure, I would love it.
Yeah.
I
So,
would dig up.
now he is finding king's treasure. Huh? So, he can be rich.
He will dig up though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then find gold. Huh?
Gold, diamond, swords. I would love.
What if king,
Paisa.
what if king here was so poor? And
How could
this
be a king would be poor?
many kings were poor.
No.
After British rule, they get their all money.
No.
Who told you? See, many kings were under British rule.
No.
No, you don't know anything.
Not for king.
Sige, sobrang nadaldal ito. Uwi na kami ngayon.
There would be no treasure, there would be no coins in that.